Hello everyone. Our big question today is, if 40 divided by 4 equal 8, what is 40 divided by 8 equal? And what is 4 times what equal 40? In other words, what is the number that is multiplied by 4 we get total of 40? Our learning objective for today is to learn that an array can be used to determine at least two multiplication facts and two related division facts. Now let's have a look at our key vocabulary. Division, remainder, leftover, share, whole, shared equally, multiplication fact, multiply, divide, array. Our success criteria are as follows. We're expecting all of you must be able to determine two multiplication facts and two division facts from an array. And we're expecting most of you should be able to find the answer to a calculation such as 24 divide 6. If you already know a related fact such as 4 times 6 equals 24. Lastly, we're expecting some of you could be able to find other related facts when you are just given one fact. It means starting from one fact you can generate and create other fact, other multiplication and division facts. Now before we head to our lesson, I would love to invite you to do this quick starter. So can you complete the number sentences so that they are balanced? 3 times 4 equals 2 times what? So we already know that 3 times 4 equals 12, right? So what is the number that is multiplied by 2 we get 12? The same thing for the second example. 2 times what equal 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is 16, right? What's the number that can be multiplied by 2 we get a total of 16? Lastly, times 6 equal, for example, 2 times 6 equal 12. You can do it 3 times 4. For example, 3 times 6 equal 18. Okay? Find another multiplication calculation for 18. Great. Now let's discover our lesson together. Now, question A, what multiplication and division facts can you use? B, use counters to show 8 times 3 equals 24. What else does this show? Okay. Now let's share the answers together. There are 4 rows. 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows of flamingo, and there are 5 columns. So there are 20 flamingos in total. 4 times 5 equals 20. Or we can say 5 times 4 equals 20, because multiplication is reversible. We can also use 20. Divide 4 equal 5, or 20 divided by 5 equal 4. You can use an array to represent your calculation. Number 2, this array shows 8 times 3 equal 24. 8 on each row and 3 on each column. This is a column, this is a row. Or we can say 3 times 8. If you flip it, you get 8 times 3. Same thing for 24. 24 divided by 3 equal 8, and 24 divided by 8 equal 3. Now let's think together. There are 30 trees which are planted in a forest. They are planted in 3 rows. It means on each row there should be how many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 trees on each row and 3 trees on each column. This is a row, this is a column. So can you write down 4 facts that are shown by the trees? 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts. First, 10 times 3 equal 30, or 3 times 10 equal 30, then 30 divided by 3 equal 10, 30 divided by 10 equal 3. Question 2. 32 cakes are arranged in 4 rows. There are 8 cakes in each row. Can you match each calculation to the correct statement? 8 times 4, this calculation works out the total number of cakes. Now 8 times 4, this calculation works out the number of rows? We don't know. Try to draw pictures of 32 cakes and arrange them in rows and columns. So by drawing, this will allow you or help you to visualize the calculation. It means it makes it clear and easier. Alright, now let's try the multiplication triangles, fact families. Can you fill in the blanks in these multiplication triangles? Try to find the missing number. Number 1, on top you have 24. Divide, and here you have times. So what's the number that is multiplied by 8 we get 24? It's 3. So we can say like this. 3 times 8 equal 24. 8 times 3 equal 24. 24 divided by 8 equal 3. 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Fact families. Triangle fact families. Do the rest. And after you finish, compare your answers with the correct answers here. Great. Now, if you have done this correctly and confidently, you can move to the challenge task. Now, can you work out the missing numbers in these trios or triangles? 18, 2, find the missing number. 3, 9, find the missing number. 24, create your own numbers here. Great. Now, please answer the Google form questions as well as the activities on pages 146, 147 on your math practice book A. Don't forget to watch the video by clicking on the link below. Have a great day.